welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the fourth episode, and in this episode I am going to tell you about the dryer filter and function. This is the dryer filter. You can see this is the different type of dryer filter you can see on this whiteboard. For your kind information, I can show you the picture of this type of dryer filter. Okay, so this is the dryer filter and its inside part is look like this. Okay, so let me tell you, from here this is the inlet point and this is the outlet point. This is the thread type dryer filter. Okay, so when freon enter from here, this is the strainer. So what happened, first clear the freon from here and then enter to the inside the dryer filter. So inside the dryer filter, here is silica gel point, like this small silica gel. Okay, this is also called the dryer core, dry core parts. Okay, so when freon enter, so dryer filter function is absorb the moisture from the freon and then pass out from here to filtering device. Okay, so this is the function of dryer filter. Okay, for this one, actually the all dryer filter is function is same, but there is the different type of dryer filter. So different unit using the different type of dryer filter. Okay, this dryer filter are using in the SSC small SCU unit, means mini split AC and window AC. This is the small type of strainer filter. Okay, so this is the copper type. I can show you the picture so your concept can be clear. Okay, this type of strainer filter used in the split AC and window AC. Okay, you can see here this is the very big picture, so I can show you the picture for your kind information so your concept can be clear. Okay, so you can see here freon in from here and here is the strainer. Again this strainer is here. Okay, this one is the strainer. Okay, and freon enter from here and filter here, and again enter the inside the dryer filter. So what happens inside this type of cell type of dryer filter, there is inside the dryer core. Okay, so this is the called dryer core and there is one hole. Okay, inside this one, so freon enter inside. So what happens, this dryer core absorb the moisture from the freon and again out from here and go to the metering device and then evaporator. Okay, so what happen if our dryer filter is dirty? So how you know our dryer filter is dirty or dryer filter is choke up, so we should replace it? How you know that? So this is the inlet point and this is the outlet point. So here is one charging point. Here is also one NRV non-return valve is here. So we can install our pressure gauge here and we can check one pressure gauge here and one line here, one line here. Okay, so we can take the dual pressure gauge. You can see like this. This is for cylinder. This is for cylinder. This is for low pressure. This is for high pressure. Okay, this is for high pressure. This is the charging line. Okay, so one charging line we can connect here and one charging line we can connect here. Okay. Okay, so we will check the pressure. If the, for example, here pressure is 270 psi. Okay, so here pressure also will be the 270 psi. If the pressure is same, it means your dryer core is okay, your dryer strainer is completely okay. Okay, so in this situation you don't need to do anything. For example, inlet point is 270 and here is coming 260 or 250. So what happened, it means your dryer core or strainer is blocked some point of block. So that is why it's showing here 250 or 260 and here is showing pressure 270 psi. Okay, so it means your filter is blocked. So what happened? So when pressure is showing like this, if here is showing 270, if here is showing 250, it means you need to replace your dryer filter. So how to check this dryer filter is dirty, you can understand now. So same function here. You can check if there is NRB valve. You can check, connect your pressure gauge to the NRB valve inlet and outlet point, and you can check. If you don't have this gauge, so what you can do, you should have infrared temperature gun. Okay, so you have to take the temperature of inlet point. If you can check, for example, here inlet point temperature is 40 degree, for example 40 degree Celsius. So here should be also the 40.5 or something, same should be the same temperature. So it's mean your dryer core is completely okay. So you can understand now how to check the dryer filter. Okay, and you can understand also the what is the function of dryer filter. Okay, and this is the called dryer core. I can show you the picture so your concept can be clear. Okay, so you can see this is the picture of dryer core. This dryer core function is only observe the moisture from the freon. So I hope you guys your concept is clear now, and I hope you guys you understand what is the function of dryer filter, and how to check the dryer filter if your dryer filter is dirty or not. Okay, so see you guys in the next video with the new topic.